Welcome back to Vocational Pathshala. Today we are diving into the world of luxury hospitality. If you have ever dreamt of working in a five-star hotel, you are in the right place. I am Sunil, and in this video we will explore the top 5 skills you need to excel in a five-star hotel career. Let's get started. Number 1. Exceptional communication. Communication is the key in the hospitality industry. Whether you are interacting with guests, collaborating with colleagues, or conveying information to different departments, having exceptional communication skills is a must. Clear, polite, and effective communication will set you apart in this competitive field. Skill number 2. Impassible customer service. Five-star hotels are renowned for their unparalleled customer service. To succeed in this environment, you must be dedicated to providing guests with an exceptional experience, anticipating needs, resolving issues promptly, and maintain a positive attitude are all crucial components of delivering impassable customer service. Skill number 3. Attention to detail. In the world of luxury, it's the little things that matter. Guests at five-star hotels expect perfection, and attention to detail is non-negotiable. Whether it's arranging a room to perfection, ensuring all amenities are in place, or flawlessly executing an event, having a keen eye for detail will make you an invaluable asset. Skill number 4. Multitasking and time management. Working in a five-star hotel often means juggling multiple tasks at once. From managing guest requests to handling administrative duties, being able to multitask efficiently is crucial. Time management is equally important. Ensuring that deadlines are met and smooth flow of operations is maintained. Skill number 5. Cultural awareness and adaptability. Five-star hotels attract guests from all around the world. Being culturally aware and adaptable is essential to cater to diverse needs and preferences, whether it's understanding different customs or speaking multiple languages. Embracing diversity will enhance the overall guest experience. There you have it, the top 5 skills you need to thrive in a five-star hotel career. Remember, it's not just about meeting expectations, it's about exceeding them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of hospitality with Vocational Pathshala. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.